Welcome back, YouTube, to yet another video. Today we're in my Aston Martin and we're going to a shop right now to install its new exhaust. I can't believe I'm saying this, but the exhaust is finally here. It's been a long time coming because it's been over a month since I ordered it. About a month and a half, I want to say. But yeah, we're finally here. We're gonna go ahead and take this car to the shop right now that agreed upon taking this project. And yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and just turn off the camera until we get there. Yeah, introduce you guys to the whole shop and who would be working on the car and everything. Sounds good, but it's gonna sound absolutely insane. This whole entire project is going to be about 2 days, I want to say, at least for the install. With the ECUs, they do have to be shipped, so we'll get more into that once we get there. But yeah, this is gonna be the last time that this car sounds like this. Sounds good, but too quiet. Alright, I think we're just about to arrive. We have arrived at Raging Bull Performance. I'll park right next to this Aventador. Hopefully I'm not blocking them entirely. And let's go out and say hi to whoever I talk to. All right, ladies and gents, so we got the Aston Martin right here. Let's go ahead and go inside. It is. How's it going, man?
Hi.
You don't mind if I record, do you?
We do, actually.
Oh, you do? Okay. All right, ladies and gents, so we have dropped off the car. Again, this Aventador is beautiful. But we are gonna go back home and wait for the exhaust to come on in. And I got my annoying good friend over here, so yeah, let's wait for the exhaust. You're waiting. So annoying, you know that?
I'm fucking waiting. Oh, where do you want to go?
Back home? Perfect, yeah, you can just set it down right here. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Dude, been waiting all morning for this. Oh, thank you so much.
What is it, a car part? Or?
It is a car part, yeah. So my car's over at the shop right now, and right now we're just, yeah, waiting on this. I have to take it straight to the shop. Perfect. Dude, thank you so much. You too. And it's finally here. We're gonna actually open it up now. This is actually a pretty big box. It better be, because it has a lot of stuff in it. So, oh man. Let's actually open this one up because it's easier. All right. So, oh, this is the catless pipes. And what else do we got in here? Is this the header? I have to see. Oh, it is the header. I'm trying to get it on. It's hard with one hand. This is the header. No way. Hold on, I gotta put you guys down 1 second. Oh, it is the header. Ladies and gents, you can see here, this is it. I got a full exhaust kit, pretty much. I believe this one's going to be the back box, if anything. But these are long tube headers, equal length, as you can see. Again, this is supposed to make it have that F1 pitch that we all love. And yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff in here too. Like I said, the catless pipes are gonna be right here, because I didn't want any high flow cats within my setup here. But oh my god, I am so excited for this. And this is supposed to save a lot of weight as well, but you guys can see this is insane. And freshly coated as well. That's one thing I did not know that Velocity AP does with their header setup. So big shout out to you guys. And honestly, the packaging is absolutely top notch. You can see how much bubble wrap there is and all this good stuff here. O2 sensors right there. And yeah, so Now that we got the exhaust, I'm gonna go ahead and wait on my friend, and then we are gonna go to Raging Bull for Performance and give him the exhaust. And hopefully my car has at least been worked on in some way. That way I can get the ECUs shipped out right away, because again, my whole plan is to get this car done by Friday. So hopefully that works. All right, ladies and gents, so we practically have the Aston on the lift. You can see this is what is under the Aston. Big shout out to Raging Bull Performance for letting me even record this here. But you can see ECUs are out, and yeah, the process has officially started. So can't wait to have this thing back on the road and all the good stuff right here. So yeah, can't wait till this all goes on. We got the ECUs. We got the driver's side ECU, as you can see here, and passenger side. I have it here so that way I could ship it to FedEx and yeah, practically overnight it so it gets in and out as soon as possible to Velocity AP. So we actually got it shipped, and we have contacted Velocity AP for everything that was needed in regards to the tracking number and so on. So we are actually going to overnight it, just due to the fact that I want to get this done as quick as possible. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit of a short one, but again, I'm making this a two-part for a reason. I wanted to just make sure that we get everything all set and done. Now we can wait, so when the work is going to be completed, it's all going to be done in all one go, pretty much. So yeah, thank you so much to you guys again for tuning into yet another video, and I really hope you guys tune in for the part 2. And yeah, thank you so much for your support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.